Hey everybody, how are you? I picked up this really cute paper lantern at Dollar Tree the other day, but as soon as I went to put it together, it ripped. So I thought that it was really cute. I really haven't tried it with the batteries and stuff, but I thought that I would try to repair it. So I'm thinking that my glue gun might help. So I'm just gonna, it really did tear. My glue gun's not heated up enough yet. It did tear. There's like these two little notches that this paper is supposed to stay in. But I was just like, wow, this is really cute. Let's try to fix it. Because then I have an additional step that I want to do with it if it works. So I'm going to glue the heck out of this. And I think it will work. I'm just running a bead of glue around all the parts of it that I can actually see. Because the cardboard around the top of it is kind of sturdy. It's a sturdy piece of cardboard. It's not like the paper in the lantern. So, I don't know. Let's give it a shot. So dainty that you don't want to rip it. I think as it stretches, it will. Okay, so that seems to be holding now. I'll be back with the rest of my idea. Okay, everybody, tomorrow is the giveaway. So tomorrow I will be posting a video in regards to this. So this is the last thing I'm going to be putting in. These are different colors than the first ones. Just remember that. So I am sticking them in there. This is the last of the giveaway. So tomorrow, we're going to figure out who is going to be winning everything that's inside of this. All right, keep watching. Don't forget, look for that video tomorrow. I am back, and I decided to play with some vinyl. But I think I have to put you on pause because I think my tweezers are on my other desk. And I think I'm going to need them today. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, half of that's on there still. Huh. Where's the rest of my XO? Okay, looks like everything is off of there, but I'm going to save this for a second to make sure. Let's see what we got over here. And then I have to weed it out, which is no big deal. Just got to pull out the inside of the letters, which I actually do find very fun. The part that you don't need. I thought, how cute would this look hanging in my office? Nice, quick, easy little instant gratification sort of craft. Okay, so that took a little bit more than I thought it would, and I have to sit here and rub my letters down. But I do believe that they will start to stick as I keep pressing them. But this is just going to hang in my office, and it hopefully will inspire me. I'm going to go get a battery, and I'm going to shut off the lights and see if it illuminates. I'll be back. Okay, so I put the batteries in, and I shut the lights off, obviously.